Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can upload files to ChatGPT, and it is going to be one of the easiest method you have seen on YouTube. All you have to do is just add an extension and that's it. So for that, just open up your browser and search for Chrome Web Store or Web Store Chrome. Then open up and search for this particular extension, and after that just add it to your extensions. So what it will do is just it will add the upload file button over here, and all you have to do is just click on upload file to upload files. And if you want to check the settings, these are the settings, and these are the supported files that is supported by this extension. Plenty of them are there, covered almost all the file types. And after that, just click on upload file, select a file that you want to upload and click open, and a file will be uploaded. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.